Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Did you know your city is installing air quality monitors across Plano? 2 have already been installed and 3 more are going up next year. It's part of what will become a regional system to monitor air quality in North Texas. A University of Texas at Dallas professor came up with the idea to keep a close eye on the increased traffic emissions and potential health effects. UTD researchers will build the monitors and then interpret the data, which will help us stay informed and play a role in future public policy. The partnership with UTD allows us to test newer and less expensive technology. Eventually, the information from the air monitors will be available on an app. People will then be able to use that info to make personal health decisions based on air quality. Plano's 5 monitors are only a small portion of a larger regional system. Eventually, there will be 55 monitors installed across Plano. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.